Good morning, everyone. If you want to teach a complicated topic to your students, how you can do it in a very simple manner with the help of technology, specifically the generative AI that we are going to discuss. You can take any topic from YouTube, put it in the tool, summarize it, make lecture notes out of it, create presentations, and this will really help you to use these tools effectively. So let me quickly go back and share. Suppose this is a YouTube video that you want to explain about parameters about large language models to your class. So what you will do is first you will go to the on-demand platform, which is giving you this opportunity to do it for free. Uh, and this is something that is developed in this region, so we should use it and as well. So now you go to playground, just go here, log in with your Gmail ID or any email ID. It will just take a couple of seconds, verify your email, and come here, go to the playground. First step is, as you can see, type a paste a YouTube. So what we will do is we will take your YouTube ID, whichever YouTube. This is just an example from our YouTube channel. First you paste this video here and run it. Before you do this, one thing is you just want to make sure that you change this model to Gemini 1.5, because Google and Gemini are that is the you'll get better outputs that is there. Now you just do enter. Now what is happening, that this video is getting uploaded to the system. So just give it couple of seconds. Once this video is uploaded, you will get this specific thing. Then you can mention create lecture notes on this topic for grade 8. Just an example. You will get the lecture notes. It will send the request to your YouTube channel. All this information is coming from the video. So now this is a video. If you know that this video is coming from a credible source, you can go to any other person that you are following, or you can just do a search, and you know that this information is correct and it is not hallucinating, means it's not doing something wrong. Whatever it is, you take this and you get this notes here. You can understand this notes, and also you can create presentations on this. It will not exactly create the PPT, but it will give you slide by slide what are the context that you can use, and then you can always get the structure and then you can improvise on it. So use this platform on demand for this type of YouTube information, and take it one step further to get specific input in a professional manner that you can use in your daily work.